How's it going, everyone? This is how you properly install a glass screen protector on your iPhone 15 Pro Max, although it does work with any iPhone 15 model. The screen protector that we're using today is the ESR Ultra Tempered Glass Screen Protector, and this is the Amorite series, which does have the 110-pound force resistant. It's the best glass screen protectors you can get for your iPhone 15. I highly recommend them. I will link them in the description box below so you can check it out. There's a few things in the box that are included. One is this little piece right here, which we can put over top, which will help us align the screen protector. And then we do have this little package right here, which has your wet wipes, as well as your dry and your stickers. We're gonna use the stickers as well as the dry cloth, not the wet wipes. I'll tell you why in a second. And we do have our screen protector right here, which is very, very high quality. Absolutely love this one. So we'll put that right down there for a sec. Let's go ahead and first use what's called Whoosh. Whoosh is a screen cleaner. I use this for all of my devices. It's specific for electronics. It's the best screen cleaner you can get. Use this rather than the wet wipes. So all you do is you just go ahead and you just spray a couple of sprays right there, get it all wet, grab our dry cloth right here, and we just clean the screen off very, very nicely. There we go, so nice and clean. And when you're done cleaning, you go ahead and grab one of these stickers right here, pull that off, and you are going to just tap it a few times, get any sort of dust or anything off around the edges. There we go. And then you want to put over your alignment tool, and that will just snap right on. So just push it down on all the sides right there. And then you want to do more of the middle to get rid of any dust or anything like that. All right, I think we are good. So when we're done that, you want to quickly grab your glass screen protector, pull it off from the top right here, and that will just peel it right off. And you want to do this as fast as possible so no dust gets on your screen. And then you want to align it right at the top within the alignment piece right here. So it's right there. And then you just want to let it just slide all the way down, and it will go right into your alignment piece. And then what you'll see is you'll see this kind of starting to heal. Now you can take off your alignment piece and just let it heal even more. So you'll see it healing. Just let it do its thing. There we go. So once it's done healing, you can have a look. And if there's any other bubbles or anything like that, you can just press them out. We'll grab our cloth again and we can wipe it down again nicely. And yeah, everything looks like it's perfect. It's perfectly aligned. It's no bubbles or anything. Just a reminder, I've linked this screen protector down below as well as the Whoosh. Make sure you check those out and hit that like button.